Hello, welcome back to our discussion about the music theory. So this quite a short recap about the chromatic scale. So this is the chromatic scale for C, okay? And then in this session, we will be discussing about the major scale. But first, we uh we are familiar with the tune of Do Re Mi Fa Sol La Si Do. Later, we will know what a major scale is. So Do Re Mi Fa Sol La Si Do, C D E F G A B, and then C, going back to C. Now, this is what we call the major scale for C, the C D E F G A B. How was it formed? Okay, using these 8 notes, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, we mark it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Going back from our previous lesson, we try to determine how many steps do we need from a key to another key. Okay, so let's have a short review, or let's answer this. Okay, so for C to D, we have from C to D, we have 1, 2, 2 semitones. 1, 2, 2 semitones, or simply one tone. Or let's just put tone. Therefore, it is a complete tone from C to D. Then, from D to E, 1, 2. Also, equivalent to one tone. Let's just put T. Then now, from E to F, it's just a one step, so one semitone, as we can see here in the keyboard. From F to G, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 semitones or one tone. Now from G to A, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 semitones or one tone. Now from A to B, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 semitones or one tone. And lastly, from B to C, we have one semitone. One semitone. So therefore, this scale of C is made up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 tones and 2 semitones. For C to D, we have tone. Their interval is equal to a tone. From D to E, the interval for these two keys or two notes is a tone. While for E to F is just a semitone here. For F to G, it's a tone. From G to A, again, It's a tone. Same as for A to B, also a tone. And lastly, B to C, a semitone. Therefore, a major scale is a scale constructed using a tone-tone semitone tone-tone-tone semitone process from note 1 to 8. We are talking here of the notes of a scale from 1 to 8. An octave, I mean. Notes of an octave from note 1 to 8. So therefore, this is what we call now the C major scale. This is C major scale, or we can also call it as key of C, because we use the scale of C. So this is the key of C. If you notice, there are no sharps or flats along the way as we constructed the major scale for C. On our next discussion, we will determine the structure of the major scale for D, E, F, G, A, and B. Let's see how many sharps and flats are we going to get as we construct their major scale. So for now, I call this as a flowless scale. Flowless because there are no flats and sharps. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. And this is, in this scale, this is our Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Si, Do.